Morning YouTubers, we are back in the garage with the engine swap, part 2. This time, you can see it, got the awning up, create a bit of shade, much needed today. It's boiling, it's 10 o'clock and it's already boiling. Hopefully you can see that. We've got the car up on the axle stands. My dad's obviously been in here stripping some stuff down as well. So hopefully we'll have the whole engine out by the end of the day. That'll be a good start. But yeah, so I'm going to get some gloves on, kitted up, get some water, and crack on with it. So I'll set the GoPro up somewhere that hopefully you can see all of this, and yeah, hopefully not bore you too much with what we're going to do today. So I'll catch you in a bit.
Well, I get this from us and we'll talk about what you can start. I'm looking at that. I'm opening this when we look at it. All the injectors don't look like they're in this manifold. And a lot of the wiring does. So whether we can disconnect it from there, keep it all in the manifold, and that goes across there. Might be a little.
Unfortunately, the GoPro battery went dead during some of that process. But this is where we've got to. The engine is out. Thank God. That was hard work. And look at that. Hopefully you can see that in there. It's gone both sides. Proper job. And also unfortunately, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but yeah, it's broke the starter motor. It's burst through and destroyed that, so it's a new starter motor as well. So yeah, proper job. So yeah, hopefully I've got that lined up, because that's quite a hole in that. Heavy oil lump with a gearbox and that on, but she's out, so gonna have a tea break. It's really hot again today. The awning is helping, keeping some shade, but yeah, unfortunately we're not going to get out for Cadwell by the looks of it. It's one more weekend, I think, from looking at the calendar. Should be out for Snetterton though, fingers crossed. Give us a month to get this sorted. But yeah, next job is get the gearbox off, which I think we're going to do today. And then that might be it for today, because I'm shattered. But that's what we got to. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to have my cup of tea, sit down for 10 minutes, and probably fall asleep in the shade. Anyway, catch you in a bit.